Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about trendy topics in sports and entertainment through TV shows. Subscribe na to our YouTube channel. So mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin na 500 subscribers. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog po natin, 262, episode 262, entitled Trending TV Moments. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Una naman natin sa sports news. Sa PBA Caloocan Games, nako, panalo ang Northport Batanpier against Blackwater Bossy. Was supposed to play James Yap sa game. Kaya lang, na-injure pa rin sa game. Nanalo siya 2 kasi kung guys, sinabi ko, malaking post or tambak. Tapos, bigla yung Blackwater makatay sana para sa overtime. But unfortunately, natalo siya. At napanalo ang Northport sa Blackwater. Congratulations and thank you Caloocan for making us player the game na si Arvin Tolentino from FEU. Sa ating volleyball naman. Sa volleyball, but unfortunately, sad to say, na-eliminate na ang PLDT high-speed hitters. Pinamunahan nila Kim Pajardo, Majoy Baron, Kiana D, at Sabi Davison. Pero ang Final Four sa Premier Volleyball League, hindi po siya 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3, kundi round robin are Petrogas Angels, Choco Mucho Flying Titles, Cherry Tigo Crossovers, and Creamline Cool Smashers. This is the first time that the Creamline na hindi na either first or second place finisher for Creamline is na at 4th place na. First time na hindi first and second team ang nag-final 4 but the number 4 seed. Pero babawi sa final round robin pa rin. Yan ang rules. Congratulations sa Final Four. Good luck sa mga LaSalle members sa team yan. And now, here are our entertainment TV news. So, una naman natin ay sa Linlang. Sad to say, wala na si Kyla Estrada sa Linlang. Namatay na yung character na si Sylvia dahil nahulog siya sa hagdan. Ay, hindi sa hagdan. Sa stairs. Due to, suicide problems. And, of course, thank you Kyla Estrada for making share about thoughts as Sylvia ng Nida. Tapos na-move na kasi sa Ken by Miramanapin naman. Tapos, on their last 2 weeks, and replaced by High Street, a senior high sequel sa May 30 na. Congrats, Kyla, and hope you see you soon. And finally, sa ating pang-weekend show, kagabi sa ating, advance birthday ni Bossing Big sa Open 24/7's Easy's birthday bash that ay sigera guest sa Open 24 My Guardian Alien gumana bila Ali Bibe ng Duck Walk. Syempre masaya ako nanonood ako ng Open 24/7. Congratulations to Bossing Big Soto, Jose Manaras, Maa Salvador Ortega, at Sophia Pablo and Alan and Sai, and hope you enjoy. And I Sigera, thank you sa pag-guest sa birthday ni Bossing on Open 24/7 GMA. Yan po ang ating trendy topics on TV shows. See you next time. Bago pa tayo matapos, New Music Friday muna tayo. Okay, for our New Music, we have a song from Jackson Wong, Jackson Wong, TJ Mortete, Angelique Quinto, and Zephanie. For more information about it on Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube Music, makikita rin new songs sa ating New Music Friday noong Friday, 2024, April 26. Yan po for our latest vlog. Maraming salamat. Bye! God bless all. See you next vlog.